But for this hood, I'm going to show you how I marked everything. I never did change out the grommets. They just seemed to work good for me. So I kept the front the same. I've got 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, of course, for our garters part. We still have the 2 pearl, the pearls marked. And then we have our section of baubles, the same. And then the 2 pearls, they're still marked the same. So both sides, that's the same. Everything up to the 2 stitches past your bauble section is the same. Here's where it differs. These are 2 pearl stitches, so we want 3 flat stitches, 3 pearl, 3 flat, 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 and then it gets you to the other side. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sets, and then there's like an extra 3. So 6 sets of 3 pearl stitches followed by 3 flat stitches to create the ribbing. And it's the same ribbing that I used at the beginning. So this can kind of show you how it will tighten up once it's down farther, because right now this is all you can see. For this hood section, you want it to be roughly 10 inches long. So you want to do 60 to 65 rows. For me, I'm doing 61 just by my gauging. So 60 to 65 rows for this hood section.